Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
So, in the previous lab, we have talked about the tutorial number 1, and we have solved few of them. Okay, first we have solved twice. Okay, like that. This we have done in the lab session as well as in the lecture session also. The similar way we have done this also. We have done this also. That is 3. That is 4. Okay. In the fourth and fifth example, there are two loops. So that two loops we can find out by making three mesh equation. Okay, two mesh equation and one simple equation. Okay, and from this three equation we will convert final two equation, and from this two equation we will find out v output as upon v input as. Okay, and we can find out the transfer function. I hope you have completed those example. Okay, because only one example which is left over here is this one. We have taken this seventh example as well. So in this seventh example, R2 and beta I1 was are nothing but the current source which is having a resistor in parallel. Okay, so if the resistor in parallel, we can convert this particular combination into voltage source. Okay, so this voltage source is, we can get the voltage of source as beta I1 into R2. Okay, one voltage source and in series with your R2. So this particular seventh example will be more or less looking like your fourth example after converting this. Okay, have we done this particular examples? आटला કર્યા છે? થઈ ગયા था?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope this is now clear for you, what we have done in our previous session. And last example we will be talking about for this particular tutorial, and you have to submit this tutorial by tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is the last date. I will upload all the information on the Teams. Maybe I have uploaded, but I'm not sure. But if you have not uploaded, then I will upload it shortly, and then we will continue with the lecture today. Okay, as the Thursday there was no lecture, so we will continue with the lecture for the 2 days. Okay, so I'm taking the sixth example. So in the sixth example, anybody have just exercise how to solve this example? કોઈએ ટ્રાય કર્યો છે કે કેવી રીતે કરી શકાય એક્ઝામ્પલ? મેં વિચારવાનું કીધું કે સપોઝ if you want to try, you can. Anybody have tried? No. Okay, no issue. How many of you have completed example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7? કેટલા લોકોએ કર્યો છે? Raise their hand. Only how many students have completed? Only 2 students have completed. Very good. Anyway, you have to submit it by tomorrow, so that way you have to complete it. Well, if you have not done yet. Now we are switching to example number 6. Okay, so example number 6 is related to this. We want to find out the transfer function. Previously, the transfer function, our circuit was looking like from the left hand side we will be having a V input, and from the right hand side we will be having a V output. So we were writing equation in this manner. Over here the situation is somewhat different. I'm zooming out it. Situation is like that: we are having an input at the left hand side, but the output is not on a pure right hand side, but it is between this 2 points. Okay, so I am just moving this to a page. Is it clear to everyone? One minute. Is it clear to everybody? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we want to find out the transfer function, that is the R1, this is the R2, this is your C1 and this is your C2. We want to find out this. Previously the output was like this. અહીંયા હતો એટલે હું directly અહીંયાથી find out કરી શકતો હતો. Now what is the difference over here? The output of T is nothing but the potential difference between these 2 points. So this is, let us say, point number 1. I am giving a point number 1 whose voltage is V1 and point number 2 whose voltage is V2T. I'm giving the name like this. Okay, so your V output T, or we can say we will convert this time domain circuit into Laplace domain circuit. So I'm drawing this particular figure again, or the circuit again over here. It will be looking like this. This configuration. Vi of S converting into Laplace domain, V output of S. This is your number 1, number 2, V1 of S and V2 of S. This is your R1. R1 will be remaining as R1. R2 will be R2. It will be SC2. It will be SC1. Now what will be the value of V output of S? V output of S is nothing but yes.
Sir, your notebook, sir, whatever you draw in that notebook, it's not visible. We are like just seeing the 6 number of the manual book.
Okay. Sorry. Now
Visible. Yes, sir, visible.
Just wait, huh? I'm setting up the camera. Okay, so this was our previous circuit. We have marked this point 1 and 2. So V output T is nothing but the potential difference between these 2 points. Okay, I have converted this time domain circuit into Laplace domain circuit. So it will be VIS and V output of S. Number 1 and number 2 points. So number 1 point is V1 of S and number 2 point is V2 of S. Okay, so what I can write, V output of S is equal to, can I write like this, V1S minus V2S? Can I write? It will be my equation number 1. Done. Now due to this input, some amount of current is flowing in the circuit. Okay, so let us say I1 of 1s amount of current is flowing in the circuit. Okay, so for this, what we have to do, we want to find out the equation related to this. So V1s is the voltage drop across V1 એટલે voltage drop across શેના થયા?
Capacitor.
Yes, so voltage drop across capacitor is nothing but the current into the impedance. What is the current? I1s into 1 upon SC1. Can I write like this? લખી શકું આવી રીતે?
Yes, sir.
Let us say, for more clear, total current is I1 I of S. Okay, total current is IS. એમાંથી બે ભાગ પડ્યા because it is a parallel circuit. One part is your I1 of S and second part is your I2 of S. I1S અહીંયા જાય છે, અહીંયા આને રસ્તો નથી મળતો એટલે બધું અહીંયા જતો રહ્યો. What does that mean? V1S is equal to I1S into 1 upon SC. I am giving name as a 2. Similarly for this, what will be the value of V2S? V2S is equal to what? So શું થશે? V2S is equal to current into impedance. What is the current flowing over here?
I2 into 1 by R2 into
I2S into R2 only. Is it okay? Barabar?
Yes,
This
sir.
is equation number 3. Now it is your parallel circuit. અહીંયા parallel છે ને આ parallel છે. આની આ from this point A to point B and point C to point D. Point A અને B વચ્ચે વોલ્ટેજ કેટલા છે? A અને B વચ્ચે વોલ્ટેજ કેટલા છે? અથવા તો point AB વચ્ચેના વોલ્ટેજ અને C અને D ના વોલ્ટેજ સરખા હશે કે અલગ હશે? Voltage across point A and B and voltage across C and D will be different or same. Voltage same ક્યારે હોય? If connection are in parallel, you will be having a voltage same. આ બંને AB અને CD parallel માં છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, that means whatever the voltage available over here and whatever the voltage available over here, both are same. But question is, what is the voltage? આ ના ક્રોસ ના વોલ્ટેજ કેટલા છે? AB ના ક્રોસ ના અને CD ના ક્રોસ ના? VI. Very good. So can I write like this? VIS is equal to I into the main current or the I1 current into R1 plus 1 upon SC. Can I write like this? Equation number 4. Similarly, for this is for AB. This is for AB. I am writing for CD now. V output S is equal to I2S into CD na across na voltage I2S into
1 upon
1 upon C plus R.
R2 is 1 upon. This will be equation number 5. Okay. Now what you will do? You will take equation 4, make the subject I1S. I1S no subject banao. It will be VIS upon R1 plus 1 upon SC1. Equation number 6. Similarly, take equation number 5, make the subject I2S. I2S ની equation શું આવે? VI of S divided by R2 plus 1 upon SC2. Equation number 7. Put equation number 6 and 7 in equation number 2 and 3. જે આન્સર આવે એ તમારે અહીંયા મૂકી દેવાનો. You will get the answer in terms of a V output of S is equal to something VIS and something VIS. At the end, what you have to find out? V output of S upon V input of S. Understand?
Yes, sir.
First, what we have done, we have found out the relation of V output of S. V output of S is equal to what? V1 minus V2, this two. Okay, but what is V1? V1 is nothing but the voltage across this capacitance. V2 is what? Voltage across impedance R2. V1, V2. VIS, because it is a parallel circuit, we will find out VIS twice across AB and across CD. Across AB and across CD. So your equation will be VIS is equal to I1S R1 plus 1 upon SC1, VIS again I2S into bracket R2 plus SC2. This will be your equation number 4 and 5. I will take this as a subject I1S. I will take this as a subject. બંને માં મને equation મળી ગયા. These two equation number 6 and 7 I will put in my equation number 2 and 3. આ બંનેમાં મૂકીશ. એટલે મને V1 and V2 ની વેલ્યુ મળી. એ જે ફાઇનલ આન્સર આવ્યો I will put in equation number 1. Okay, so your final answer will be having a terms of V output of S and V input of S only. છેલ્લે તમારો આન્સર V output of S upon V input of S માં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખો. Done. If you will try, you will be able to know how these things you can do. Okay, થઈ જશે.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
So tutorial number 1, example 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 we have already completed. 7 we have completed, and the 6th one we have completed today itself. Okay. ક્યાં સુધીમાં કરી નાખશો? ચલો.
Sir, Thursday.
Thursday. કેમ આટલા બધા લેટ?
સર બે દિવસ રાખીએ તો વેનસડે ડ્યુ ડેટ રાખજો તો ટ્યુઝડે અને વેનસડે.
Okay, today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be your due date. Okay, Thursday રાત સુધીમાં તમે કરાવી શકશો. Okay, Friday નહીં કરાવી શકો. Done?
Yeah, done sir.
Okay, અને જે રીતના રેગ્યુલરલી આપણે કરતા હતા you have to rename the file as per your roll number underscore tutorial number 1. Okay, અને પછી તમારું નામ આવતું હોય મીન્સ તમારું જે ફર્સ્ટ નેમ હોય that you have to mention. Okay, એનું ફોર્મેટ હું મૂકી દઈશ જે તમે કઈ વખતે કરતા હતા સેમ. Okay, so this is regarding your lab session, that is tutorial number 1. Okay, for tutorial number 1 we have completed all the examples. Rest of the example you have to complete it within